What's going on, everybody? Today, me and Zoe are gonna go play in the snow. It is Saturday, and this last week we have been pounded with rain and snow. And in fact, even Scottsdale, Arizona had snow in it, which is pretty unheard of. So all over the mountains around Phoenix is snow. And so we decided that we would go check it out. I went and did this a couple weeks ago. I had to go farther north when I went, but it was kind of a disaster. I didn't wear the proper shoes, and I didn't get high enough to where I was out of the cactus.
Traffic.
And stepped right on top of a, there's a helicopter.
Yeah, he's right there.
And stepped right on top of a cactus that was covered in snow, and it was just a nightmare. So I'll insert some of the clips from that to show you guys kind of the chaos I encountered. But so today we're a little bit more prepared, and so we're gonna go try it again. And I have her with me today. Alright, we're at 4,150 feet, and we have snow. Currently 41 degrees, pretty crazy. As we pan out here, you can see Phoenix. I never thought I'd see so much snow this close to Phoenix. Pretty crazy. I think we've been in the air for 20 minutes, and we're in snow out of Phoenix. That is gnarly.
Wow. This is a lot of snow.
Yeah, that's crazy.
That's like a lot.
Dang, that's cool. Look at that. Guarantee you there's more cactus under that.
Oh shit, no.
Check out that, would that be cool to land right here?
Yeah, can we?
No. Wow, that'd be a perfect spot though.
That's so pretty.
Look at that cactus down there in the snow.
Oh, poor baby. He's like, I was not born for this.
Alright, me and Zoe just found a waterfall down here that looks really cool.
Oh my gosh.
So I'm gonna try to drop down in here and show it to you guys. Just wait a minute, I'm gonna come back into it.
Yeah, apparently.
I think there's gonna be quite a few around here actually.
What's your biggest fear as a pilot?
What?
What's your biggest fear as a pilot?
Dying.
Oh, this is perfect.
It's so hard to determine how deep the snow is.
Yeah. What do you think?
There's no way I can land here, I can't tell.
Really?
Yeah. I have no idea what's underneath us. But here's lots of cactus.
Yeah.
Alright, well, we're just gonna keep going.
What are you afraid of? Like, what's the worst case scenario being underneath you?
A big rock or something, you know what I mean? Something weird that
Shouldn't be there.
shouldn't be there. I am just not able to find a spot to land anywhere around here. There's too much snow, and it's just, the landscape is not allowing for it. Well, I was trying to find a place to land in the snow, but I can't find anywhere up here that's gonna work to land. So we're gonna continue to work our way back towards Phoenix, and I know lots of places we can land at around there. Whether there's snow there, I'm not too sure, so we're just making it up as we go. Okay, I just found another, this is like a really big waterfall. So it's gonna take a second to get there because I gotta shed a lot of altitude and finagle my way in there. Wow. Getting it?
Yeah.
Maybe right there. Looks like a good spot.
Yeah.
Right there. Tail's got plenty of room.
What are you laughing at?
Look at that!
That's a cow pie.
Someone needs a fiber one bar.
Alright,
I feel
aside from the
better.
shit that's all over the place,
Oh my
this
God.
is a pretty cool place. Let's I think we should throw the drone up. Let's throw the drone in the air, see if we can't get some cool shots. So because we are running out of light quickly, I am just going to throw this thing back in the helicopter, snap a few shots of Zoe, and then we're gonna take off.
Okay guys, I'm gonna go ahead and end the video here. Thank you for watching. If you feel like it, go ahead and subscribe, give it a thumbs up. Also, click the bell if you want to get notified when I post videos. And until next time. Charlie Tower, helicopter 54 Tango Fox, 5 miles to the southeast, inbound to the quantum ramp of information mic.
Helicopter 54 Tango Foxtrot, proceed direct for the quantum ramp. Landing at the ramp will be a channel, risk, use caution. Wind 340 at 6.
Direct to the ramp, use caution, 4 Tango Fox.